Hey, how you going? Your wife's already here. Please come in.
Oh,
yeah.
What a coincidence. Hi, welcome to Cribs Point Cook. So there's many reasons why I love this house, but there's really only one thing that sealed the deal for me. Don't tell the wife. Within these walls, the previous owner was a bit of a musician. He had already sort of fitted it out with acoustic paneling and a whole bunch of electrical wiring, also an antenna.
so we've got internet coming from the main house through here, all on cables.
So just to future-proof yourself, if you have a running cable and you've already got Cat 5, use Cat 6. Cat 6 is still backwards compatible with Cat 5. But anyway, this is the cave. This is my push play studio. Officially, not my company name, but it's fine. Anyway, wait, let me just take
Okay, you get it set up. All right, so we're here at Paul's house, and he's just finished the ultimate man cave setup. Now, this man cave setup is for the gamer, so if you're into gaming, you gotta check some of this shit out. Oh, and cinema. Yep. All right, so here we go. Let's do it, Paul.
Alright.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna put my drink down. Yo!
I don't know what the lighting did. But...
Yeah.
So-
Oh, whoa, this is actually the first time I've seen it.
Yeah. We've got a 65-inch C9 LG Oled TV. The reason I chose OLED is because the pixels can go completely off. So if you've got a black area, it means the pixels are just off completely. This is kind of your above middle range OLED TV.
65 inch.
Yeah, 65 inch.
OLED.
Yep. The processor in it is an Alpha 9 Gen 2.
What does that mean?
Well, it's got a color science in it where it can now allow HDMI 2.1. Maybe it's 2.2, but it can allow for 120 frames at 4K. But there's no devices I'm aware of in existence at the moment. Maybe some DVD players that can play that, but it is future-proofing for, say, the next generation of game console. You'll be able to use to play that. Of being able to completely black out this room, that was the way to go for me. I didn't have any sort of ambient light bleeding through that might need a QLED or an LED. The thing that I love about this is the way that he'd already set it up. He had all this acoustic paneling, and I wanted some lighting solutions because there was nothing actually running in here directly. And I was thinking about, do I hang a few pendant lights down? And then I saw these, what are called nano leaf canvas, and they are touch sensitive, they're sound sensitive. You can pre-program them to a few different settings, or actually a lot of different settings. They're Google's Home compatible, Alexa compatible, all your smart devices can hook up. And this is a remote that you can get by this remote.
No.
You can change the luminancy of it.
That's
Different
mad.
colours. Turn it off. So you can't see anything, right?
Yeah.
It's completely blacked out. And then also let me just try the sound. So let's. Anyway.
Mad.
Yeah, I'll put it on the wall.
All right, give us a bit of a tour of everything you've got in this room. So at the moment, you've got your PS4, the 4K version.
So it's a
plugged
Pro.
in?
It's
PS4
it's a
Pro.
Got a Switch.
Nintendo Switch.
I've got the SNES Mini. For now, the sound.
Yeah,
I already
sound.
had these.
Talk to me about sound, because
Well,
sound is so important. And plus, you've got this room here with
So it kind of makes it a little bit difficult though, because you don't get any reflective noise like bouncing off the ceiling if you've got upward firing speakers, which try and generate the surround sound. But for the time being, I've just got a Sony. I think it's 5.1. Is it? The
2.1.
one being the 2.1.
Oh,
they're firing
so
in
it might be
different
2.1.
directions,
Yeah, okay.
But you'll also see, I just had to get a articulated wall mount to be able to move the TV. Now look how thin that TV is.
Holy shit.
Now it's not that pretty behind it, but that is.
Whoa, that is ridiculous.
Yeah.
And what's this?
So this is for the PlayStation VR, but you've got your headset over here.
Okay.
Anyone familiar
What
with
brands?
VR?
That's the PS.
PSVR.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So in terms of like VR technology, it's probably the easiest entry level. That still gives a relatively quality experience. So I guess the theme that I was going for is, in terms of being a man cave, you've kind of got. So I'm going with like an industrial theme, I guess. And I went a bit crazy when I first thought, oh yeah, let's do some piping and stuff. And then I just went on and I bought all the piping shelves that I found. I went a bit over the top, I think, but it kind of all sort of suits. So you've got that, which is, you know, I've got some Scotch whiskey up the top there.
Which is really important for you.
You know, it is, yeah. So I've got this little one here. This can also be a drink holder and a controller holder. This little hook here, which this is actually a toilet roll holder. So this is actually a it was utilised for something else, but I was like, you know what, this would be perfect for hanging my my headphones on. I've got a little Google Mini in here, so I can tell it to do things if we'll play some music, I guess. Okay, Google. How far is it to the moon?
Moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Cool. I haven't hooked it up to play any music yet. So.
All right, so you've obviously got a shitload of tech in here. How did you power all this up?
So the way that these work is quite ingenious. Is a single one you can have up to 25 of these connected together, but you need to have a power source, I think, every maybe 15. Initially, you can see there's a power source there, there's a power source there, and I was thinking, this guy has got, for such a small space, he's put so many power things in here, but I'm so glad, the previous owner, I'm so glad he did, because I was able to put all of the LED lights back here. And of course, you know, Friends reference, anyone? It is so excessive, like a 65-inch, but I feel like why
it's not excessive. Nothing's excessive in a man cave. Let's give it a go.
Let's turn this on and see what it's like.
Let's give it a go. I think we need to pour a scotch though.
To keep everything neat and tidy, use the simple art of Velcro, because there's quite a lot of cabling that goes into this kind of VR setup. So the VR game I'm going to get Aaron to play is called Beat Saber, and it is a VR game where you literally have two lightsabers. It's a music sound kind of game, and you've got to hit the blocks that are flying towards you in time with the music and at the direction that it says. And so we'll see how coordinated Aaron is, how musically minded he is.
Okay, now what? Play.
Yep.
Oh! Are you serious? How can you even see what you're doing? Yo, you there? Yeah, that was a pretty sick setup. Oh man, we just finished playing that, what was it called? Lightsaber? Beat Saber game. So that was Paul's man cave, decked out to the max. He spent about, I don't know, how many months did you spend working on this thing? Many months, many dollars, but well worth it. That TV was insane. I can't get over how sharp that quality of picture was, but also because of being OLED, those blacks were just blacker than black. So we tried, what did we put? First we put Mission Impossible Fallout. Tried a full HD, sorry not full HD, 4K movie. Then we also played a game, and this TV I've been told is built for gaming because of the refresh rate. It's really, really high. Also the processor, it can actually, well, it's built to handle these games. Yeah, another test. So we did the movie test, we did the gaming test. I don't know if there's any other tests we need to do. It's one of the best TVs I've ever seen, to be honest. And I'm not getting paid to say that. All right, that's it. That's enough from me. I'm signing off so I can play some more games. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe for some more cool shit coming up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.